computers, and welcome to lesson 103 on finding the perimeter of complex shapes. So the first thing we got to do here is we got to find our missing lengths, okay, any lengths that are not actually written in here. So our first one that I see here is this A, and that's referring to this side right here. So I'm going to find that by looking for all the other lengths that go up and down. So here's one, this one is 6, and this one is 4. Now I'm going to write a little equation to solve for the one that is missing. So I've got, let's see, A plus 4 equals 6. Don't you agree with me? A plus 4 is going to equal the distance of 6. So now how do I solve for this? Well, I look at my variable. Right now it's being added. I want to undo that. I'm going to subtract 4 and subtract 4, and I get A equals 2. So this A right here is 2 centimeters. All right, do we see any other missing measurements? Yeah, we sure do. We got this B, so the B is referring to this side length right here. And in order to find B, I want to look for the other ones that are the width. So here I've got 7 centimeters, and here I've got 3 centimeters. So I could say that 3 plus B equals 7. And therefore, I'm going to subtract 3, so B equals 4. And now I'm ready to find the perimeter by adding up all of these sides. All right, so I'm going to start right at the top. I'm going to add 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4. Let me make sure that I have gotten, plus 2, see? I had already missed one. Let me make sure I got them all. So I got 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2. And that is a very important step when you're doing complex shapes because it's very easy to miss one. Now I just got to add. I'm going to look for things that are easy to add. So 3 and 7 makes 10. 6 and 4 makes 10. And then 4 and 2 makes 6. And now I've got 10 plus 6, which is 16. So the perimeter, just kidding, I've got 10 plus 6, which equals 26. So my perimeter is 26 centimeters. And since it's perimeter, I don't have to square it or anything. All right, there is one more left, and I want you to attempt this one on your own, but I will give you a little bit of hint. So here I've got my lengths to solve for n, and then here I've got my widths to solve for m. All right, I want to see your work of some equations and it written out of how you're going to add them all up at the end. Go ahead and get to work.